Hey, what is up guys? This is Tien, and today I'll be doing a review of the Rosewill M55 gaming mouse. I have another video of the unboxing which I'll list up here somewhere. You can check out. So basically, for the specs, it has 4 backlit modes. It's an ergonomic gaming mouse, optimal mouse with 6 buttons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The scroll wheel counts as a click. USB mouse with 6,000 DPI. That's pretty good of a DPI. Some are up to 10,000, as little as 2,000, but it's adjustable on this mouse, which I'll show you guys later. It's a high-end gaming optical engine, gaming mouse engine, so it's good for gaming. The maximum polling rate is 1,000. So basically, the polling rate is from your computer to the mouse. It's continuously scanning. So when you move, it'll send a signal back and forth, and the higher, the better. So 100 times per second or 100 hertz, which is really good. This one's up to 1,000. There's 2 switches, one for high DPI and one for low DPI. The cord's about 5.9 feet long and it's braided. Before I used to have it used to come with a cable management clip, but it broke. So anyways, ergonomic, lightweight design for durable comfort. Adjustable report rate, as stated before, that's the polling rate, 125, 500, and 1000 hertz. Customizable setting, so all the settings you can customize on the software. The DPI, the polling rate, and the backlit modes, different colors and such. I'll show you guys a little later. It has a bilateral anti-slip silicone pattern. That's these 2 things right here. You can hold on to it so it feels good in your hand. Here's the software for the Rosewill M55 mouse. Button assignments, so you can change assignments and such. A macro manager, you can record any macros you want and have it recorded there and stored there. The sensitivity settings, you usually have to leave that alone. It's good enough for me. And then there's the DPI settings. Red is 800, blue 1600, 2400 is green, yellow is 3000, 4000 is baby blue, 6000 looks like orange. So these are different colors that corresponds with the DPI settings. Lighting, standard, respiration, neon, and you can change the different timings of respirations and all the others here. The USB report rate, I usually leave that alone. It's good enough for me, at least. The mouse speed, leave it somewhere in between is okay. Works for me. And then you got the configurations for different profiles for different users, and you got the top, you got the sides, and whatever changes you make sure you hit save and it will apply the changes. Alright guys, so fast for the pros and cons. The pros are it's inexpensive, RGB lighting, it's good for gaming, good feel in the hand, macro recording, so more than one profile for configuration. The cons are that the software is a little slow to apply the changes. I've noticed, unable to prevent. I also have noticed I was unable to prevent the software from loading up during Windows startup, so I have to look into that a little further. Limited colors when it comes to breathing. So, however, there's a neon option where you can have multiple different colors and such. The scroll wheel sounds a little cheap, but you know, then again, it's an inexpensive mouse, so can't really be too surprised there. It's a bit rough on flat surfaces from what I've noticed. A solution for that would be to use a mouse pad. And you know, it's an inexpensive mouse, feels good in the hand. It's good for gaming from what I've experienced. Has RGB lighting. Despite some of the minor flaws, I would still recommend this mouse for people who want to use it, who needs an inexpensive mouse for gaming. Can't really compare it to anything else. You know, the more expensive one like Horsehair, Razer, those are in categories in itself, but it holds its own. Well, anyways, that's been my video. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoy my content, consider subscribing. Goodbye.